Electric Recliner Cup Holder Controller MLZB020. To locate your model number of cup holder, disconnect the power, remove the clear insert, the black pad and the 4 screws from the bottom of the cup holder. You can then pull the housing free from the arm of the recliner. Rotate over the cup holders to locate the model label at the bottom. Here you'll see the model number MLZB020 and other technical information. The approximate dimensions of this cup holder are as follows. The internal size of 86mm wide, 97mm deep. The external measurements are approximately 114mm wide, 100mm deep, and it requires a hole in the arm of the recliner of approximately 100mm wide. The key features of this 6-button multifunction cup holder are as follows. The light button. Press and release for a bright modern blue light. Press again to turn off. The home reset button. Press and hold this reset button. This will close the footrest and headrest in one motion. This will only close the recliner, it will not open the recliner. The footrest open button and close button. Headrest up button and down button. These buttons can be used independently. Supplied with a timer box. This is a preset timer. The lights will stay illuminated for a period of time. Where no activity, they will power down. To reactivate the lights, you'd simply press the light button on and off. Also supplied with a 5-pin DIN plug, with a V-notch, retaining lugs. This is connected to the actuator plug via a retaining clip for a secure connection. Also supplied with a plug for the lights. This connects to either a slave cup holder or a light bar. So when connected to this cup holder, if you turn these lights on and off, it will also turn on the light bar or the cup holder attached via this plug.